Okay, so see, we know the divisibility condition, right? How to divide the numbers, right? What is the divisible condition for the different numbers and all, right? Now, or just what we want to see, the number system is based on like how the number system started, right? Like if you see now, okay, we as a human, we start as the numbers started. If you see, like, what do you think, how the number 1, 2, 3, 4, right? How it was started?
When we started counting,
Okay, not bad. Why it was required to count?
Sir, to
sir,
know the
क्योंकि
absolute value.
To absolute value. That's a very like absolute value, coming to the absolute value of all this thing now. That's coming later on.
For barter, the trade में like it was a barter system. So for trade, for these many of this thing, I'll give you this many of this thing. So counting was required.
So barter system is the sense where we don't have the number system and all, but in the barter system we must know something. So that
No,
is
like 3 cows for 5 baskets of apples, or it's accounting.
right. Not bad. Not bad. Good thought, Ronald.
सर हम लोग का कल यही मतलब क्वेश्चन इसी टाइप का कोई डिस्कस हो रहा था स्कूल के इकोनॉमिक कब start हुआ तो फिर इकोनॉमिक्स नंबर्स के बाद ही स्टार्ट हुआ होगा हमें क्यों जरूरत पड़ा नंबर्स का क्योंकि फिर दो अर्ली ह्यूमंस उतने डेवलप्ड नहीं थे पर उन्हें भी बेसिक नीड्स था कि क्या काउंटिंग होना चाहिए
Okay.
लाइक इतना इतने जैसे अभी किसने बोला कि बार्टर सिस्टम तो उससे बहुत पहले शायद से नंबर स्टार्ट हुए होंगे काउंटिंग फिर नंबर्स रिटर्न फॉर्म में बाद में आए होंगे
Not bad. Good thought. Yes. Anyone else?
तो बेसिकली मेजरमेंट्स के लिए हुआ था ये सब कुछ हर पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में क्या क्या मेजरमेंट्स चाहिए होंगे जैसे बाटर सिस्टम एज सेड उसमें भी चाहिए कि अगर मैं किसी को 5 किलो चावल दे रही हूँ तो मेरे को भी वापस कुछ रिटर्न में उतना चाहिए
Very good.
विच इज इक्वल
Very good, Katani. Well, I'm agree with this, right? Not bad. Right, Kostu, what do you think? Where the numbers started? It's a wild guess. We all are doing, right? Like, because it was started, I guess, at least 30, 40, 50,000 or lakhs years before this, right? So how this started? So I said ki number journey started with the humanity, right? With our evolution. How? I'll show you first from your side.
when
First,
civilization developed
first,
Uh,
something.
yeah. It was started in early Sumerians and Egyptians. It was started with the tally system, like 1, 2, 3, 4 with cross,
Not bad.
by Sumerians and Egyptians.
Okay.
And then after that, Aryabhatta introduced zero,
I'll,
and
I'll just give you
then it's
all the
seventh, and then 7th century it spread to Cambodia, where the decimal system was introduced, and then in 1000 BC or 1000 CE, then the system reached Europe, and then it was popularized by Fibonacci in the 13th century.
just a minute. I'll give you everything on that. Huh? Not bad. But I want to hear from everyone, right? So Kostu was saying something. Yes, beta.
Sir, I think it was started many years ago.
Okay.
Sir, when the civilization was start and many things were needed at that time, and then it comes to the exchange of goods.
Barter
Then
system.
also it was introduced.
Okay. Okay. Akshat, Atvika, what do you think, beta?
When the civilization started, they needed to do farming, and the counting actually was needed when the ratios were needed, like the amount of water used, the grains used, and everything. So
Yes.
then the numbers was needed. So they could.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. Any Prantik, you have not given any like insight. Nothing. Your voice is not coming. See, when we were trying to establish our society and all, let's suppose I have 10 cows, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or certain number of cows, right? I'm going to the jungle or like somewhere where they can gaze, right? They can eat the grass and all, right? So, right, I have to go with all this, right? I'm going with, right? So they have to like eat something there, right? So they can go there, right? So while coming back, right, if I have lots of cows or something, right, the goat or something, right, any domesticated animal, right, it was difficult for me, like how I can count these numbers, right? It was difficult for me. So we assume how it started, right? We don't know exactly how it started. Like I'm sitting and I'm counting, right? How I'm counting. For each cow, I'm taking one pebbles or one stone, like for second, for third, and for like 52 cows I have. So for 52, I have taken 52. And all the 52 I kept in one of the basket or something, right? When I'm going for this, I'm going with the basket, right? I'm going with the basket,
Sir,
right? Just a minute.
okay.
When I'm coming back, right? When I'm coming back, just I'm counting again how many like stones are there in the basket, how many cows are there in there. So then I can match this.
It's
Right.
in 30,000 BC, like the
Just
tally
no, no,
mark
no,
thing
no.
in
Just a
30,000
minute.
BC, it
No,
was
no,
used
just a minute.
carved
Just
on
a minute.
bones and
Just a
bones
minute. Just a minute.
and
Right.
in caves.
Just a minute. So we come out with all the numbers, something like this. This is my thought. This is my thought process skill, how it was started, right? But the like when every time I have to go with the stone, or let I have more than 100 cows, so I have one problem ki I have to go with all the stones and all, and every time I have to carry that. So we want that there must be some number system or something that I can count this in a very, very, very easy manner. So what I believe, we human have a very, very, very natural tendency of this number 10. How?
Sir, we have 10. Sir, we have 10.
10
Very,
fingers, 10 toes.
very good. So it's a very natural number, na? Very natural thing to go for 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for these 10, I'm putting a stone. For next 10, I'm putting a different stone. So only 4, 5 stones I have to put. Right. So this is very natural way to count. And because these are the natural way, these are called natural numbers. The numbers are called natural number that we can count in natures. All, each and everyone is agree with this,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is the perfectly started the number, like we can count there is a one sun, right? One moon is there, right? There's 2 trees, 3 trees, and something. So we are not able to say the number is written in this form, but we can say, okay, these many things are there. So these are known as the natural numbers, right? Second is but the completion of number was not there. So completion of number started with whole numbers. That is the master strokes for numbers, right? You know one thing, as Ronab said, ki like Aryabhatta discovered zero or he invented zero or something, but reality is an unknown Indian has given this number zero. Before Aryabhatta, there was zero. Right, there was zero. The number zero was not invented in the 600 BC or something. It was invented so long ago. See, you know the numbers, right? What?
Uh,
Ramanas has 10 heads. So 10 is coming as a number 10 now. Right. And Kauravas has 101 brothers and sisters. Right. So that's always the number now. So these
Sir,
numbers were there. Yes. Huh?
sir, if these numbers were discovered, then how the integers like negative numbers were discovered?
Coming into that, beta. Coming into that.
before even before uh, in I think Mesopotamia, first we there were numbers in base 60 and not the normal
That's
base 10
very
numbers.
true. Very true. Why the number 60 is the base, I'll tell you. In the Mesopotamia and before that in Maya
In
civilization.
Babylon.
At Babylon Maya civilization, there was a pattern. Like every time we count as a 60, right? 60 is a very basic number. Why? You'll see when you will go for the society. We are not coming into the society. And now just it's a growing age, right? First, we are in jungle. So we have only natural numbers. Now we have or not have. We have or not have means it's a binary, called binary. It has zero. I lost something, so I don't have that. So that's called the binary. So we are in jungle. Now coming into the society. Yes, Rana.
Sir, before like they use base 60 like 60 seconds in 1 minute and 60 minutes in 1 hour, like 360 degrees in one circle.
Yes, Ronab, not there, beta. Yeah, I'll come into that, right? Come into that. That this is not coming from the time system. Time system is like it came later on. But why the number 60 is there? I'll come into this only after 2, 3 this thing only, right? Then the society, we have grow up the society, right? In the society, right, we have the barter system, as Ranav said, as Katani said, right? So everyone said, ki, like this is the barter system. In the barter system, if I'm taking something, so that's going into the plus. If I'm losing something, that's going into the minus. So we have introduced some number that's called negative
Integers.
right? These are called integers, negative integers, right? We are not come into the fractions of that, right? We are into integers, right? Now, the fourth numbers are coming when we are going into the integers, right? All the integers are there, right? Fourth number of calling this is rational numbers. What is this rational number? When we have to go with the divisions, right? Like
When a number can be written in the form of P upon Q.
very good.
P
And
by Q.
And Q is not equal to 0.
and
Is not equal to
And P, Q are whole numbers.
integers.
Real numbers.
co-primes, right? You can't say that both having one term that's not canceling out, right? It has to be co-prime, right? It has to be co-prime, right? Coming into all this thing. Please note down till this. Fifth number is called irrational number if the number is not in the form of P by Q. Not in the form of P by Q. So basics of the number started, right, with natural numbers, then whole numbers, then integer, the barter system. Now we have to divide pizza, right? How to divide pizza, right? So rational number, P by Q start, right? One is started into two part, right? 1/4 of pizza I need, right? So something is the division form is called the rational number. Then it's come into the revolution part that's called the irrational number. That number irrational contain the pi, the famous number pi, right? What?
3.1428.
Very good. 3.1428 or the
Bar.
pi is
22/7.
22.7.
very good.
Sir,
These all are not the value of pi. Pi is an irrational number. You can't say these are the value. These all are the approximate value, not
But,
the value of pi. Right?
I did
For
not
the
understand.
convenience, we are taking 22/7 or 3.14 or something like that, but the value of pi is not known. We are not able to find value of pi, right? We are not able to find value of
sir,
pi. Pi is called multiverse number. Multiverse means if you will create like
Many
one universe,
universes.
two universe, and n universe, so you are not able to end up this number. So that's called the multiverse number. That's called the pi.
Sir,
Right? Yes, Rana?
sir, I didn't understand the P by Q concept.
P by Q. If like you have pizza, right? What we need in this pizza, pizza is one of the very good mathematical example. Why?
Because sir, it is circle
Very good. And
and can be and has many lines of symmetry, so can be divided in
अरे
many
नहीं
small parts.
नहीं
Diameter.
pizza is
Infinite
circular.
lines of symmetry.
Pizza is circle, right? You'll get this in the square box, right? And you'll eat the pizza
Well,
as a triangle.
Triangle.
So everything is there, right? So pizza is the one of the best example, right? You'll get the pizza in a square box, that's a circle, but you'll eat as a
Triangle.
triangle.
sir, it is not a perfect circle. It is more like it is like a little edgy. It's not a perfect circle.
Okay. See. So integers, right? So integers are all we know, like what are these integers, right? The numbers is in the form of, right, -3, -2, -1, 0,
But the
1,
P
2,
by Q,
3.
P by Q
1, 2,
concept gives
3,
Coming,
4.
beta. After integers it will come, right? These are called integers, right? Integers is divided into two parts. One part is called
positive, negative.
and other part is called odd,
Oh, so
right?
why can't we divide natural numbers and whole numbers into even and odd even? They have same two parts.
Yes, beta. Right? 2n plus or -1 or 2n, right? Integers or integer, the magnitude of integer or any numbers will be divided into two parts, as Ronav said, like the natural number and whole numbers, right? 2n and 2n plus 1. Just a minute, the concept clear कर दूं पहले, right? 2n and 2n plus 1, right? All the integers are divided into two parts. One is even and other will be odd,
Odd.
right? Second, right? Product of two consecutive integers are always
Odd.
even,
Odd.
right? Product of two consecutive integers are always even, right? Because one is odd, other is even, so even into odd will be always even, right? Sum of two consecutive integers are odd only. Note down till this.
So,
Ready? Bag లో పెన్ ఉందా?
Just you have to understand what are these even and odd, right? How we have to use that we'll do.
सर एक डाउट है
Done.
Yes,
एक
sir.
डाउट है
0 is even or odd?
Even. Like none, but even, considered even.
Neither even nor odd, even or odd. Write down in chat, everyone.
Sir, I think it should be even because
Write down in
2
chat.
n can be 0.
Write down in chat. Write down in chat, everyone. Write down in chat. Neither even nor odd, even or odd. Write down in chat, everyone. Do it fast. Do it fast. Yes, Katani as well. Very good. Achat. Very good. Very good. Very good. Everyone. Very good. Very good. Very good. वेरी गुड आयुष रौनक वेरी गुड कितनी सारी बातें होती है लाइफ अभी का वेरी गुड बेटा बहुत अच्छे नॉट बैड
सर एक डाउट है
कॉस्टू यस कॉस्टू वाई ऑड जस्ट अ मिनट मृत्युंजय I'll start with कॉस्टू वाई ऑड बेटा आयुष नेक्स्ट I'll ask why odd कॉस्टू
Sir, when we subtract two consecutive integers, then I think we will get the odd values.
two consecutive integers. I'm asking कि 0 is even or odd or neither even nor odd. Even, odd, or neither even nor odd. Right? So 2, 3 answers are there. Like you have given, कि sir, this is odd, right? 1. And Katani, you have given neither even nor odd. Why, beta?
सर इट इज समथिंग रियली बेसिक मतलब बचपन से यही बताया गया है कि इट्स नीदर रीजन नॉट ऑड बट व्हाट इज द ट्रू कंसेप्ट बिहाइंड इट आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट
Okay, not bad. And
सर कैन आई टेल द
आयुष
कॉन्सेप्ट
just a minute मृत्युंजय सॉरी मैं अधिक देर तक रोक दिया तेरे को बट रुक
नहीं
जा
नहीं नहीं
Ayush, why, beta, why 0, you are saying 0 is not an integer? आराम से हम लोग को बात करना है. Just I want to clear all the misconception. That's the reason I have started from all the basics now. How numbers started, how it is coming. Like I have stuck with the integers only. What are the integers? And the name of the integers are even and odd. What is even? What is odd? 0 is even or odd. So why you are saying that this is not an integer? Yes.
Sir, as 0 has no value and
So, yes, Mrityunjay, you were saying something.
Sir, 0 is neither even nor odd. I think when we multiply 0 uh, 0 is divisible by 2 and every even number is only divisible by 2 plus consecutive when we subtract to or when we add two consecutive integers we get odd. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 which is odd, so both even and odd can't be there, so no, neither even nor odd.
You confused me all these things. See, with the basic I'm coming, right? One number is
0 plus
even,
1 is 1.
one number is even, other number is even, the sum will be even. First, second, even plus odd, this will be odd. Third, even plus or minus odd will be odd. Fourth, even plus or minus even will be even, right? Similarly, if I'm taking as multiplication, even into even will be even into odd will be even, odd into even will be even, odd into odd will be odd, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay.
So
So
1 second, I'm just writing.
right? So it's a plus minus of this thing, right? What about zero? Like Katan, you said ki zero is neither even nor odd, right? But see, if you'll see the property of zero, na, if 0 plus 2, what is the value of 0 plus 2? Is 2 only,
2.
right? So even plus even will be even, na? Means from this I can say this is even, right? First. Second, you are saying 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Even minus even is what? Even. So this from this again it is coming.
So like even plus odd is equal to odd. Even
Right.
odd plus even is equal to odd. So if we consider 0 as odd and we consider a different number as even, then we can get, so if we consider 0 as the odd number and 2 as the even number, then we will get
You are getting 2. 2 is an even number. So even minus even will be even only. So 100% 0 is even. From every aspect you will see na, so 100% 0 must be even number. Right? Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then school is something else.
अरे नहीं anywhere mathematics beta, anywhere that will be same. By mistake, like someone is giving, like mathematics is a very natural process. If something is not working here, so that will not work anywhere, right? So be relaxed. Okay, if something is not going to your head now, means you have to argue. That's called the mathematics now. That's the reason we are studying mathematics. If we have to sharpen our like mental state, ki like I can say ki 0 is odd. So why I'm saying so, right? So if I have something, then I can go for that. Okay, everyone. So this is the chart of even and odd, right? So two consecutive numbers we have seen, ki product of two consecutive number is even, right? Product of two consecutive number is right. One very simple thing I'm giving you, right? What is that? Odd number, one odd number square, right? I'm giving in this way, right? M square minus n square. If m and n are odd integers, right, is divisible by, what divisible by? M square minus n square is divisible by 8. That we have to prove. If m and n are odd integers, then we have to prove that m square minus n square is divisible by 8. You want to try this or should I go for that? आप ट्राई करना चाहोगे या मैं करके दिखाऊं बेटा?
Sir, try.
Sir, try.
Take your time, everyone. Then
No,
I'll
I'm just coming in 1 second.
yes, take your time.
Sir,
Yes.
even square is divisible by 4.
What beta?
8. Even square is divisible by 8.
4. Even square
4.
will be by 4, but or difference of a square of two odd number is always divisible by 8. That we have to prove.
Yes.
Now,
Because
very, very important concept I'm giving you, right? Very important. Should I start now? We got done. Done, beta. Very good. So what you have done, right? How you are solving this?
Sir,
Sir,
for
first we
Just one by one. Yes.
Sir, m square minus n square is m plus n into m minus n, and we know that odd minus odd and odd plus odd is both values are getting even. If we consider two smallest odd values, that is 3 and 1, we will get 3 minus 1, that will be 2, and 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So sir, if the smallest value is getting divisible by 8, then in the all cases it will divisible by 8.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. But what about 1 and minus 1? 1 is odd, minus 1 is again odd. So the difference will be 2 only. The difference is not coming as 4. Maybe. Right? Yes?
No, sir.
Sir, but
If m plus n is getting 2, then sorry, sir, m minus n is getting 2, then m plus n will be 0. Then, sir, 0 into 2, and that is divisible by 8 only.
Yes, Kaustav, I understand. See, what I want to say now, for two numbers, perfectly said, very good, right? But how to generalize this? Advika want to say something. Yes, beta.
Sir, I did try to do some formula or something. I just took different values.
Okay.
For example, I even went with negative values.
Mhm.
First, I took the m square was supposed to be 3 square. Then n square, I went with 5 square. So the answer was negative 16, which is divisible by 8, and so on. So
Not bad, not bad. But well, same or something. Anyone, like, if you have taken the number, that's okay. Anyone, like, not taken the number or some generalization or something? Anyone?
Can
Sir,
you
एक
show
doubt
the
है.
E and O page once again? E plus O is equal to E and that one.
Okay. This one, beta?
Yes, sir.
Sir, हम 2a plus 2b
Sir,
into 2a.
sir, in here, what is the difference between the first point and the fourth point?
Same. It is only plus. It is for plus minus both.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Oh,
Mrityunjay.
okay.
सर 2a plus 2b into 2a minus 2b, इसमें हम 2 को कॉमन ले सकते हैं होल.
You are saying कि m you are taking m as this or n as 2b plus 1, something like this.
हाँ सर.
Right. So if I'll put the value m plus n, so m plus n is 2a plus b plus 1. And m minus n is 2a minus b. Right. So 2 is coming out. So this is 4 times of a plus b plus 1 and a minus b. And a and b are integer, right? Okay. See this carefully, right? So we have already seen that this number is divisible by 4. Only I have to prove this, that this product of these two numbers will be even. If I'm able to prove that these two numbers, the product of these two numbers are even, then 100% I'm sure I'm done, right? So how to prove this?
So can you scroll a little up? I think I missed one line.
Just write down, beta.
Yes, thank you.
A plus b plus 1, a minus b, and product of a minus b into a plus b plus 1. Right, case first. Let a is even, b is even. Right, both are even. So what you think, what is a plus b plus 1, even or odd? A plus b, both are even, to even plus even is even plus 1 is odd, right? What is
Yes.
a minus b, even or odd?
Even.
Very good. Now, what is the product of a minus b into a plus b plus 1? One is odd, other is even. So what is the product?
Even.
Right. Second, if I have taken one is odd, other is even. Right. So what is first value? A plus b plus 1. Odd plus even plus 1 is odd or even?
Odd plus even plus 1.
Even.
Even plus 1 is right. Odd plus even will be odd. Odd plus 1 will be even. And this is odd.
Even.
The product will be again even, right? Third, if both are odd, check this. A plus b plus 1 is even or odd? Check this.
Odd.
Very
Odd.
good. What is a minus
Odd.
b?
Even.
Even. What is odd into even?
Even.
Very good. And the fourth is even and odd. Again, you are getting the same thing.
EOE.
Even. So every time product of a minus b and into a plus b plus 1 is coming as even, right? So this number is coming as even. So can I say this number is 4 into 2m, and 4 into 2m is 8m. Means this number must be divisible by 8. By basic formula, you are able to prove this. Is this okay, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
सर नहीं समझ में आया.
कहाँ पर नहीं समझ आया बेटा? Tell me.
वो आपने 8m कैसे बनाया उसे?
See, every time if number is coming as even, so even number is a multiple of 2.
Yes.
Right? Even
Okay, समझ में आ गया.
What?
मुझे भी समझ में आया. Can you please repeat एक बार 8 कैसे आया?
Right? Yes, Mrityunjay, tell me.
So can you please explain again how 8
Yes, Mrityunjay is sir, he is explaining this.
क्या सर?
Yeah,
मुझे क्वेश्चन नहीं सुनाई दिया.
How it's coming as 8? Same what you.
Okay. ये a plus b plus 1 into a minus b is always coming as even. And
this every time you are getting this as e, means even, right? Product of two number is coming as even. And then Mrityunjay?
And even is always 2 into m.
Even is always in the form of 2 into some integers, right? So I'm writing this product as 2m. And already we have 4. So 4 into 2 is 8m. So number is divisible by 8. Right? This is one of the method. I'm not saying this is or the only method. First note it down, then I'll go for the second method.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, why we have considered the pi's values at 22 by 7 or 3.14? Why we have assumed that?
Why we have these are the approximate value, beta. These are the approximate value of pi, right? When we
How, sir, how do we get this?
This 22 by 7 and this value. Now, this started with long. Like it's Madhava was the mathematician, right? He has given the first formula of pi. Right, he has given the formula 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 and blah 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 blah. Then he got something result is there, right? Then afterward, like we divided, like many of the people are giving this formula, okay, what is the approximate value of pi? Like how we have to get the pi? So why this pi? Everyone behind pi. So pi is giving you the complete circle. Right. And circle is the revolution point of human history. Why? Because
Sir,
the
okay.
circle only we are able to, right, frame the wheel. And wheel are used for the traveling as well as when like you have to make some port or something. So it started with the wheel only, right? You have to roll this, then you can make the port and all, right? So wheel was very important, but we were not able to build this circle exactly if we know the ratio of the diameter and the circumference, right? So what is the radius? 2r. What is the circumference? 2 pi r. Right. So this is circumference and this is diameter. Can you see what is the ratio of C by D? That is pi only. Right. So manually we work on that, how we are, what answer we are getting. Then everyone is getting the value of pi. So when computer was not there, integration was not there, right? So manually we were able to calculate the value of phi. So up to 50 places, we were able to find manually. Right, but
So technically a circle is undefined because
but a physicist or the mathematician Newton have given the formula. What he did, he has given the integration formula for the circle. In that formula, he has given to how to just create this semicircle, and from that only he got the value of pi. That's very precise way. But the best formula for pi has given by Ramanujan. Right? And it was a magic. We are not able till date, we are not able to understand how that guy has given the formula.
Sir, when while he was
How he has given that formula. You will see the formula na. That's it's marvelous. And he was able to find the value up to 16 places with precision with that formula only. And that was a very good precision. Right. So pi is like the value of pi is very like crucial for human history. Right. When we know the value of, so it started with this only when we have to make the wheel, right? We have to make the wheel. So how many part we have to cut this, right? So what is the ratio that will decide the perfect circle we are able to make or not, right? So that work in that way. Okay. Yes, one by one. Ranav, yes, beta.
Sir, first question. Sir, since the area of a circle is pi r square and pi is not defined, like we can only get an approximate value, but like you said, we can't get the exact value of pi. So technically, is a circle undefined? So we technically don't know the whole what like exactly what is a circle.
Very good question, beta. Very good question. But unfortunately, you are right.
Oh, so a circle is
Unfortunately,
undefined.
Obviously, if you'll go in that minute level now, we are not able to define that. Why? Because we are not know the value of pi. Pi will not end. Right? So we have in mathematics, we have limitations. And in that young age, you are able to see this limitation. That's very good. Marvelous.
Thank you, sir.
Right? Yes, Pajwal. Yes, beta.
Sir, why only 3.1 for pi value?
It's
It can be
approximate.
another value.
It's approximate value, beta. We have divided this circle into 7 different parts and it's 22 parts, right? So that 22 parts are giving you the value. So that's giving you the approximate value of pi only, right? If you cut this parts and add all the parts, then you are able to make the circle, right?
But
Yes.
only why 3.14? If we can keep another number too.
if if you will go with one part of 3, other part is 3, third part is 3, I'll show you next lecture. Now I'll show you actual the figure. So some portion will be right, we are not able to cover up that portion. If I'll take the diameter now, this much diameter, and then I'll put in this, right? So we are able to cover this much thing and something here we are left. So that leftover is not the small portion is very, very, very small. So that we can count by different ways. So that we are getting as 3.14 something. That's the reason we are saying.
Okay.
Not a
Okay, sir.
very, very great mathematics, a simple maths. With a practical maths, we can do that. Yes, Harshvardhan?
Sir, I was saying that the circles area or perimeter can can be varied on like we how much we take that decimal places of pi.
True. True. That's the reason if we are not knowing the value of pi, we are not able to project our rockets. We can't go to the moon. We can't go to the Mars. We can't like the satellite are not we are you are not able to run your satellites. Right. So everything will be haphazard. Right. So the precision of pi is a like it's blazing force. Right. So it's a even or odd, right? But very good question, everyone. Right. So I hope you all understand this concept. Right. So this is the first method. But what I'm saying, okay, what you have m square minus n square, right? M you has taken as 2a plus 1, and you have taken as 2ab plus 1. So this is coming as twice of a plus b plus 1, and second is a minus b twice of. So 4 times it is coming as a plus b plus 1 into, can I write a minus b as a plus b minus 2b? Can I write something like this? Right. One more thing I'm writing. Now you have to tell me, is, sir, we have done, sir, this is like you have given the perfect solution. How I'm giving that you have to tell me. I'm writing this and I'm saying, okay, my question is done. How? Take your time, everyone. You have to write down in chat. Bolna nahi. Right? You have not to speak out. Write down in chat, everyone. I'm saying ki in this step is giving me, okay, the answer is there. This complete number is divisible by 8. How? You have to write down in chat. Prantik, Katani, Akshar, Ayush.
Sir, is that 2 into 2 a plus b plus 1?
First is a plus b plus 1 minus 2b into a plus b plus 1. And 4
No,
is
over here, is it 2 into 2?
2 into
Because
2,
it's a
beta.
dot.
Yes, yes. From
Okay.
second one, again you are getting 2 na. So 2 into 2, 4 is there. Advika, please go ahead. Go ahead, everyone. Prantik. Anyone. Not bad, Kaustubh. There's something more. Yes, Harshvardhan, very good. Second part, two number is there, though. Like you can see that. What about the first part, Harshvardhan? See the first part, beta. See the first part. Ayush,
Sir,
Ayush.
I just took like second part and I thought that like still bit difficult.
First part is important. Second part, so you can see the number is two. Number two is there. Katani. Now, second part, so you can see the number two is there. Now, what about the first part? See, we have already seen that. You all know that, right? Simple, very simple.
Sir, like here we can say that M and N like two is combined A B B like that.
Nah, we have already done that method, even odd, na, so we know that. But what I'm saying now, see, can I go ahead? See,
Yes, sir.
this number is A plus B, and this number is what? A plus B plus 1. Means, what is the meaning of this? This number is A plus B.
A plus B is multiplied to A plus B plus 1.
Very good.
Yes,
And
sir.
these two numbers are,
Odd.
These two numbers are,
Even.
these two numbers are consecutive.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay, one number is A plus B and other number is A plus B plus 1. Right? So only you are adding one number, na? So
yes, sir. Consecutive.
so and product of two consecutive numbers are always even.
Even.
Right? So even into 4 is what? 8m. And this is 8b, A plus B plus 1. So can you take out 8 common? Yes, we can take out 8
Yes.
common. So this is
Yes.
divided by 8. You know this. You have to apply, na? Right?
सर हमने वो नंबर ऐड कैसे किया लाइक उससे वैल्यू नहीं चेंज हो जाएगा
ये वाले में बेटा this a
वो
minus
A
b,
प्लस बी हमने अच्छा ऐड क्यों कर लिया
I have written this a plus b minus 2b. That is same as a
हाँ
plus b, ना?
सर वो लास्ट में 4 इन वो A प्लस बी हम ऐड कैसे कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे
A plus b. See, this is a plus b minus 2b. I have multiplied this with this and this with this.
ओके हाँ ओके इसलिए हो गया
Right? मैंने दो separate कर दिए ना बेटा.
हाँ सर
Okay? Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? So what about if I'm giving you, what about, right, a square minus b square? What you can say if a and b are even? So this a square minus b square is divisible by what number? Always we can say.
Sir, 2.
Not
Sir,
bad.
2, 4, and 8.
Divisible by, right?
All the multiples of 2.
Sir, 1, 2, 4, and 8.
Now, 1 is so always there, 2, maybe 4, 8, 16. How, what we can say ki always possible, this is always divided by 4, this is always divided by 8. As you said, ki if A and B are odd, this number a square minus b square will be always divided by 8. What we can say about a square minus b square if both are even? Take your time, everyone.
Sir,
Take your time, Harshvardhan. Take your time. Take your time, beta.
Sir,
Yes.
so A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B.
Very
So
good.
if A and B are both even, we know that even plus even is equal to even. So A plus B will be even. So And so a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b is even and a minus b is also even. So then even into even is equal to even only.
Very good. So what we can say? Divisible by 2 only, or 4, or maybe 8?
So 2 definitely, 4 and 8 maybe. 4 and 8, yes. 4 and 8, yes.
We have to confirm 8 is okay, 4 is okay, or maybe 16 is okay, or only 2.
Sir, can we assume that A is equal to 2m and B is equal to 2n?
Not bad, beta. We can assume, but that assumption will not give you the correct answer, right? Correct explanation will be with the number when you will take the number as A is equal to 2m and B is equal to 2n. Then you can
सर 4 से भी हो सकता है
4m square minus 4n square. So it is coming
Then we will take 4 as common.
m square minus n square, right? So 4 times m square minus n square, right? So can we say that, right? 4 times this is m plus n into m minus n. Now we can make the chart again, m, n, m plus n, m minus n. See, you have to start with the very basic things, right? This is even, so this will be even. So product
Can
will
you
be,
please scroll up 1 second?
just a minute, beta.
To the question.
Yes,
it
just.
will also
Like
be
the
even.
whole thing.
So
So
from
can you
8 also we can divide.
So, but second, even and odd, this will be odd, this will be odd, this will be odd. For third, this is odd, this is even, this will be odd, this will be odd, this will be odd. Fourth, this is odd and odd, this will be even, so even. So now you tell me, everyone write down in the chat what we can tell. Like this is divisible by 4 and some multiples are coming from this, or 4 is okay with the number, right? We are okay with the number 4. Not we are not able to say always this is divisible by like a even number is there. That's always come out from this.
So I'm supposed to find if it's always divisible by 4,
Very good. Or yes,
the outcome can be odd.
very good, Haswardhan. Very good, beta. Mrityunjay. Very good. Why you are saying 2 when you have already found 4? Why you are writing 2? So if number is divisible by 4, so obviously this is divisible by 2, na?
2.
Right? So why you are writing 2?
Okay.
Very good, cost of very good answer. Very good, beta. Very good. Arpika, very good, beta. Perfect. We are sure with number 4 only, right? But not by 8 or 16, right? Because, right, few of the cases are giving you odd number and it will not contain any of the two. So we can say this is divisible by 4. The factor of 4 is there, but we can't confirm with these are even. If this will be odd, this is always divisible by 4. Maybe this could be divisible by 8 or so. We need more information of what type of numbers are this, right? So that will do in like tomorrow we'll do some more explanation of these numbers only, right? Integers only, right? What other integers are, what are the prime numbers, what are the other numbers, right? I hope, right, you all have understanding of this even and odd number, how to apply these even or odd numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? Chalo, then
Yes, sir.
same time we are meeting tomorrow, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
bye,
bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
anyone want to ask anything, I'm here only, you can ask.